Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix Notes app missing on your iPhone. Now let's get started. First of all, make sure you search the app on the home screen. If you don't find it on the home screen, go all the way to the right, then you'll get to app library, then on the search bar type in Notes. You may find the app this way. If you find the app, long press on the app and drag it to your home screen and release it. Once you do that, you'll get the Notes app on your home screen. If you don't find the app in your app library, the second option you can try is restarting your phone. After restarting your phone, again check your app library, then you may find your app. If you still don't find the app, the other option you can try is going to your settings app, then tap on screen time. After that, scroll a bit down, then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then make sure this option is turned off. After doing that, again search for the Notes app, then you may find the app in your app library. But even after doing this, if you don't find the app, the last option you can try is resetting your home screen layout. To do so, go back to your settings app. Then from the settings homepage, scroll a bit down, then tap on general. After that, scroll a bit down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. After that, tap on reset, then tap on this option reset home screen layout. Once you tap on it, again tap on reset home screen. Then after doing that, your Notes application will be on your home screen. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.